2023 is the last year of the big block Mopar, so it's time to come get your chance at a new 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. Oh baby, Destroyer Gray, 392 Hemi underneath the hood. We've got 20-inch granite wheels. We got Brembo brakes all the way around. Inside we got houndstooth premium cloth console shifter with sport shift, our climate controls. We have our radio controls, Uconnect, performance pages to see what that Hemi is doing under the hood, leather wrap steering wheel, hands-free controls. We also have our paddle shift, 180 mile per hour speedometer, and matching tach and digital driver information station, not to mention a premium Alpine stereo. In the back, we have the black spoiler, Scat Pack logo. And of course, we click here, open up the trunk. We got our floor mats and you have plenty of room for all of our gear for the road, for the track, for anywhere and nowhere. And of course, dual exhaust to let the Hemi breathe. So come on home to Payne Rio Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram for your chance at a new 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.